Hello everyone, Christmas is looming. Hopefully we've all got our Christmas trees purchased, brought home, put in the appropriate place and properly dressed. And therefore I thought, let's talk about trees for a little while. As residential conveyancers, it's important to advise clients if they're buying a property that is subject to a tree preservation order. So of course it's necessary to do a local land charges search and to advise our client of search results. If there is a tree preservation order, in my view, it's not enough simply to advise the client as to its existence. It's necessary to advise the client as to potential liability relating to the tree. They need to ensure that the appropriate permission is sought before lopping or felling it, and that it's properly maintained and preserved. To that end, I think a report from an arborologist might be appropriate where there's any issues or concerns about the tree, or particularly where a client's plans are to remove the tree or to do some lopping work on it in order to generate more light, etc., then a report would be necessary. That's the obvious point. The less obvious point is section 154 of the Highways Act 1980, which imposes an obligation on the owners of property that are adjoining highways to ensure that trees that overhang the highway are investigated, are inspected, and if they're dead or diseased, to make sure that they are removed or lopped or felled, because there is a danger of liability under section 154 if we are endangering or obstructing the passage of vehicles along the highway. As far as the local authority is concerned, or the highways authority is concerned, it can serve notice, and there is an opportunity for a party that receives the appropriate notice regarding dangerous trees overhanging the highway to challenge by way of application to the magistrates court. All I want people to do is just make sure that clients are aware of the position and that they understand, particularly if their property abuts the highway and there are trees, that there is an obligation to inspect them, to ensure that they are safe, and to have the appropriate works undertaken relating to them if they're not. On that note, happy Christmas and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.